The average salary is $71,000. The job description consists of servicing existing accounts, obtaining orders, establishing new accounts by advertisement to potential sales outlets. A normal schedule consists from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A sales rep typically works from home with a company car to travel to physicians. The sales rep will spend most of their day going from one physician to another. Pharmaceutical sales reps have to have a college education. They also have to have a high school education, but they really need to know their science. Science is a big role. In addition to the college degree, pharmaceutical reps must be very polished, professional, and well spoken. They must be highly organized in order to manage their territory and time optimally. Additionally, reps must have the ability to memorize vast amounts of medical terminology and detailed information about the medication they represent. They also need to know a lot of science. What's to like about being a rep? There are many reasons why pharmaceutical jobs are coveted by many aspiring job seekers in the medical science history. The earning potential for pharmaceutical reps is strong, especially when compared to other sales jobs. Benefits consist of tuition payback, 401k, retirement. I mean, what else could you want? What's to not like about the job? It has to do a lot with science. Due to the abundance of companies, drugs, and reps in the industry, doctors see less reps and cut back on the amount of time given to each rep. Often, reps spend most of their time in their car and in physicians' waiting rooms waiting for the physician. Tools or skills required. You need to be a good persuader. You need to be a people person, willing to put pressure onto a doctor to buy your product. Personality traits. To be a pharmaceutical sales rep, you have to be willing to talk a lot and explain your product to doctors and physicians. You have to be highly intelligent and know the science. Hi, this is my Aunt Shell. She works for GSK, and she's a pharmaceutical sales rep. How does science play a role in your job?
Science plays a huge role in being a pharmaceutical rep for a couple of different reasons, and the first one being that we have to be very knowledgeable on our products, and they're all scientific based as far as the tolerability, the efficacy of the product, and that's how doctors determine what product they're going to write for their patient. So when we go to see a physician, we have to talk about the science behind the product, how it's designed, the molecules, and how the studies were ran, the number of patients. So there's lots of different ways that science plays a role in our job. In addition to that, we have every quarter we have to take exams, and we are tested on the scientific knowledge that we have of our products. So that's also how we get paid, is how well we know the science inside and out of our products. So the biology, the physiology, the anatomy of the body, we have to know all of that in addition to the science behind the product.
Do you enjoy your job?
I absolutely love my job. It's very fulfilling in many different ways, and the best thing is to be able to help a doctor make an educated decision on the right product for a patient, and to know that you're helping people live more, do more, feel better, live longer. So it's very fulfilling.
What is your favorite part of your job?
I would say dealing with healthcare professionals. They're very welcoming for us to come to their office and leave them samples and educate them on the science behind the product and why it's a good choice for their patients. And it's also nice. You have very flexible work hours, and it's very lucrative.
What certifications are required for your job?
Well, you have to have a high school and a college education. They also look at your GPA, your extracurricular activities, and in addition to that, you have to pass multiple exams before they will hire you on as a full-time employee, and those would be, again, science exams that you have to take on physiology, biology, anatomy, and then science exams on the exact products that you're trained for.
Do you have anything else you would like to say about your job?
I would just like to say that there's a lot more to it than I guess probably people think. It takes a lot of work, a lot of dedication, but it's very fulfilling. And if you at all enjoy science, which I did in high school and college, this is a great career for you because you really get to learn a lot about, nurse practitioners, doctors, science, biology, chemistry, all of that. So it's a lot of fun for many different reasons.
All right. That's my Aunt Shelley. She does. She educates. Thank you.